Galit na galit ang bagyo. Yung bumili ka ng pagkain pero ang hirap buksan. Struggle.
This is GS 98.7 Radio General, your trusted radio station.
Yo, what's up mga kabuenas? This is Buenas Vlog, and for today's video guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Kasiglahan National High School. Kung natatandaan nyo, sumali si Kuya sa journalism at pasok ikaw. Then try out ulit sila ng for radio broadcasting. Nakapasa ulit siya for top 6. Ngayon, nandito tayo ngayon sa National Broadcasting dahil sila ngayon ay magko-compete sa iba't ibang eskwelahan dito sa Montalban. Nandun sila sa loob, nag-registered na. Tara guys, punta natin. Dumating na yung mga classmate ni Kuya sa Heronimo. Retouch yan, Kuya. Retouch. Pupunta na kami sa room kung saan sila magko-compete. Nakakamiss yung high school life. Nag-reminisce yung mga high school days naming dalawa. Nandito kasi kami sa taas. Yan. Yung tipong nagagawa ka ng umiikot na papel, tapos iuhulog mo dyan, papunta dun sa baba. Babalik tanaw yan. Amuin mo nga, amuin. Pupunta kami ng kantin, tingnan natin yung ambience sa kantin. Yeah, may batang gutom na po. Wow, nakakamiss talaga yung kaso. Nakakamiss yung kantin sa kaso, yung nakapila kayo para lang makabili na palamig, makakain. Tapos na yung orientation nila para sa mga journalism, din binigay din yung mga guidelines para dun sa mga gagawin nilang script. Kuya, naintindihan mo yung guidelines niya, ha? Dito kami sa isang place dito sa Kasiglahan National High School. Dito ay may gaganapin na live conference. Then, papakinggan ng mga journalism yun. Then, isa-summarize nila. Then, yun yung isasubmit nila para i-report dun sa competition.
Have you heard about of course, we use AI already in our schools. But of course, that will not make you be lazy. Tama mali. It's only...
Ano po yung parang masasabi ko sa mga kumbaga, mas maganda yun kasi mas pinadali.
Sa palagay mo, marami ba tumatangkilik sa yakap program? Agas? Na-interview siya guys. Magkano talent mo? May talent mo yun. Nagugutom na yan. Nagutom na. So yun guys, so huling-huli sa camera oh. Napipicturean sila oh. Dalawang photographer na po yung nagpipicture sa kanilang dalawa po. Social, artistahin yung mag-ina ko. Meron pa isa. Tatlo na po. Mga artistahin nyo. Ang dami na picture nyo, pang magazine na yan. Huwag pangalan ibigay mo, Gcash number. Guys, ito yung sa sports. Ito yung itatalakay nung ka sa sports category. Lumakas bigla yung ulan, bagyo. Habang gagawa ng script yung mga journalism natin dito sa covered court ng Kasiglahan. Lumakas bigla ang ulan. Galit na galit ang bagyo. Mga journalist natin is babasa na. Kaya tulong-tulong po ang nanay ng Heronimo para payungan ng mga batang journalism natin at magpatuloy sa pagsusulat ng kanilang mga script. Coaching with Sir Eugene. Tapos na sila magsulat ng script nila sa mga sketch paper nila. Ngayon, tinatyping na nila sa laptop din. Print na dun sa open pad para yun na yung hawakan nila sa presentation. Nagkaroon pa ng konting problema yung printer. So inaayos pa rin Sir Eugene. Sana maging okay na para pa-print na yung mga scripts nila. Practice muna sila habang nag-print pa si Sir Eugene ng ibang scripts. Yung bumili ka ng pagkain pero ang hirap buksan. Struggling. Nabuksan mo na yun sa'yo? Okay, hindi ko pa nabubuksan. Ayan, ano? Palaro yan? Worth it naman pala yung pagbubukas namin. Ang sarap. Suporta daw kay Kuya. Pero nauwi sa food trip.
Thank you, JB. The artificial intelligence or AI is a useful tool for millions of people. AI helps people from advanced thinking. It also helps students and teachers to make their minds think new. And AI can make pictures, research, and the viewer. This is Fraser the Morning.
Pupunta na kami sa Silid Aklatan. Doon yata sila magpa-perform. Nakapag-practice na sila and then na-print na yung mga script. Dito na tayo sa taas. Manonood tayo kay Kuya RG. Tara!
This is GS 98.7 Radio General, your trusted radio station. Good afternoon, Philippines. Today is Saturday, August 8, 2026. I am JV Larola.
And I am and you are listening to 98.7
GS News Patrol. Here's the rundown of your top stories. AI helping many people to a journey of advanced thinking.
the best solution to mass bullying.
The results of the volleyball championship of the year.
The prima facie regions found.
AI helped many people to a journey of advanced thinking. Here is reason for the details.
Thank you, JB. The artificial intelligence or AI is a useful tool for millions of people. AI helps people from advanced thinking. It also helps students and teachers to make their minds think new. And AI can make pictures, research, and review. This is recent reporting. Thank you, Liza, for the report. Now, let's move on to the best solution to mass bullying. Let's listen to the report of
Thank you, Nation. Anti-bullying is a program to stop bullying in schools and other learning settings. The Department of Education, DepEd, made a program to solve the problem. It encourages teenagers to stop bullying in an early age. Some parents even reported bruising, wounds, and more. So the program helps parents to discipline their kids and increase safety. This is Lance reporting.
And those were the hottest news for today. We will be right back with more news after this quick reminder. Want to become a better reader? Start with just 20 minutes of reading every day.
Reading helps improve your vocabulary, strengthens your imagination, and makes learning
learning more enjoyable. They can both read with their family or visit the school library. Every page you read brings you one step closer to success. Remember, readers today, leaders tomorrow. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Once again, you are tuning in Radio General 98.7.
The results of the volleyball championship of the year. Here is Ryan for the report.
Thank you, JV. Kasiglahan Village Senior High School, KVSHS, and Kasiglahan Village National High School, KVNHS, played at Kasiglahan Village National High School's Covered Court Championship on August 8, 2026 Municipal Game. KVSHS won it by 15-10. Star player of Kasiglahan Village National High School was second. The people watching were amazed by Sosa's number 1 performance in the KVSHS, also known as Kasiglahan Village Senior High School. And this is Ryan for the report.
Thank you, Ryan, for that proud entertainment. The queen of all media is back. Here is Keisha for the report. Thank you, Elijah. Please turn on the queen of all media and sing for a long time. Her fans waiting for her to get there. After a while, she got better. And now she joins Netflix and Love Online. She applied as a chief head, a content and licensed chief head. And on August 7, 2026, the first episode was released with an additional episode to be released on August 14, 2026. Many fans were waiting for the return of the former queen of all media. This is Isha reporting.
Thank you, and that's the latest news updates. Once again, this is JV Launa
And this is Jockey Elisha Magno.
from the heart of the city.
To the corners of the room.
This is GS 98.7 Radio General, your trusted radio station.
So, tapos na yung radio broadcasting ni Kuya. Hindi ko lang sure kung maririnig sa video yung mga boses nila dahil ang lakas ng ulan talaga dito. Ang ingay. Tapos ang dami pa mga tao na mga bata na maingay. Hindi ko sure kung makukuhaan yung mga boses nila dahil ang dami talagang tao. Pero kahit pa paano na-survive nila, natapos nila yung reporting nila. Good luck na lang sa kanila and then good luck din sa iba pang mga kalahok dito sa journalism na ito. Pero kahit pa paano na-survive nila, natapos nila yung reporting nila. Good luck na lang sa kanila and then good luck din sa iba pang mga kalahok dito sa journalism na ito. Tapos na, pwede na raw kaming umuwi, sabi ni teacher. Sa Saturday pa daw lalabas yung result kung sino yung nanalo dito sa journalism. Congrats in advance! National news si Kuya kasi. AI yung topic niya. Dito kami ngayon sa McDonald's. Nagkayayaan. Then, alas 3 na rin kasi merienda time. And para na rin sa effort at saka sa talent ni Kuya sa magjo-journalism. Kailangan may reward, di ba anak? Malab, laki yung tablet mo. Tablet yan, Malab. Kuya, hindi ka naman kinabahan. Ano lang nararamdaman mo? Nag-broadcast ka doon?
Excited and
Saan ka excited? Sa McDo?
sa competition.
Ah. No, tapos na kami maglibot sa Primark Town Center. Tapos na rin kami kumain. Nagliman pa uwi na kami. Medyo malakas yung ulan. Uwi muna kami guys. Kararating lang namin dito sa bahay. Ang lakas ng ulan nang umuwi kami. Nakatulog ka sa tricycle? So dito na namin siguro tatapusin yung video na to.
Bye, mga kabuenos.
Ano naman naging experience mo?
My experience is excited and kinakabahan or shy. But I tried my best.
Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, please like, share, and follow na rin para sa mga susunod pa nating videos. Bye mga kabuenos. See you sa susunod na vlog. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.